let's talk about what we've been seeing here over the past weekend of these very hot temperatures, getting some help from Mother Nature here, at least as we look in St. George, as temperatures not as hot in St. George as it is in Salt Lake City because we have some cloud cover, upper level moisture, which has been in play here throughout the weekend, giving a chance of some scattered rain showers and some thunderstorm. We saw that activity even here along the Wasatch Front yesterday in the early evening hours. Boy, temperatures quickly drop when we get the cloud cover and the rain. We went from, of course, that record-breaking temperature of 107 down into the 80s over a course of about 45 minutes. As we look right now, we're 94 degrees in St. George. There's a chance of seeing some showers and a possibility of seeing some rain here even along the Wasatch Front a little later, but we're noticing clouds increasing, providing for a little shade. Right now we're at 95 degrees. We're not expecting to see temperatures, again, record-breaking. We'll be close to 100 degrees today, but as we look ahead, forecasting our temperatures where, again, close to 100 degrees in Salt Lake City. Tomorrow, even a little bit cooler here across the north, but temperatures back on the rise in St. George as we start to push away some monsoon moisture and not allow those temperatures to quickly climb. No watches and warnings in effect here across the state. We look towards eastern Nevada with a excessive heat warning in effect, but yeah, things are kind of calming down on the temperature front here as we look across the state. Doesn't mean it's not going to be hot, just not as extreme as we saw yesterday. Now, from the Storm Prediction Center, because we have that monsoon moisture in place, chances of seeing some thunderstorms. It's a possibility here as we look throughout most of the Wasatch Front, central and southern Utah. Not a high risk, but that threat is there. And again, those thunderstorms can produce some heavy rain. Thus, as we look towards southern Utah, we do have some areas that could see some flash flooding here throughout the afternoon. Similar situation for tomorrow, drying out a little bit across extreme northern Utah as we'll begin to see even more improvements heading into Wednesday. So we're hanging on to the moisture, but we're also hanging on to the heat. Starting to see a little bit of activity across southern Utah. A few areas of isolated thunderstorms look like near Bryan Head over just east of Capitol Reef as well. So that's definitely a zone we'll be looking at here over the next couple of hours. And again, that moisture on the move pushing further towards the Wasatch Front, but it takes until the evening hours before we really start seeing that increased chance of those showers and some thunderstorms. We've got those hot temperatures, we've got the high pressure in place, but as the high pressure, as it looks is projecting to move a little bit further west, it will start turning off the monsoon flow for a couple of days, but we're not looking at that until Wednesday and Thursday. So we get hit with the rain, focus across central Utah into even portions of the Wasatch Front, particularly Utah County moving through the afternoon. Then those showers spread across northern Utah overnight. And then tomorrow in that similar area, we'll see that possibility of those scattered thunderstorms and some rain. So good chance of seeing some rain for some period of time over the next 48 hours. As it could hit and bring a lot or just maybe a sprinkle. That's kind of the uncertainty there, but we know at least that chance is in effect. And we know that we will see cooler temperatures here across the state, near 100 degrees in Salt Lake City, 90s for other locations, low 90s through central Utah, and 103 expected high in St. George. Okay, we start pushing away that monsoon moisture, getting a break, but not from the heat. Actually, temperatures back on the rise. We'll reintroduce that monsoon moisture for the weekend. That'll allow temperatures to cool off just a little bit. Northern Utah, as we see triple digits today, a little cooler Tuesday and Wednesday. Today and tomorrow, that chance of a scattered afternoon thunderstorm. And then it's hot Thursday and Friday, still triple-digit temperatures. But hopefully for the weekend, as we start reintroducing some clouds, we'll be a little bit cooler. All in all, we'll keep temperatures above average, but keeping away from that record-breaking heat.